It is time. Start with the light brown clear special. Rapper rolling, saying this soccer, thought about myself, so particularly or none of the course. My staff prepares to look over some play. Play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. Cramer's going to start with Dave in Illinois. Dave.
Dr. Cramer, my good mad friend. You know, the weather doesn't get much better here. So when will you and Lisa return to Chicago for some Portillo's and a Binny's bottle signing?
Well, I don't know, but I'm going to check in at the Bear, please, now that I know that Tina's got that job for a long time. There you go. What's going on?
Jim, this $24 billion suburban Chicago company has kept pace with the S&P so far this year. Among Dover Corporation's supply of electronic equipment and components, they make thermal connectors, a critical component in liquid cooling of data systems. So, Jim, with data center spending on the rise, your thoughts on DOV? Oh,
boy, Davis definitely put it once again, right, his finger right on the pulse. That is a terrific, I'd like to come out there and see them. Maybe they'd invite us. This is a terrific industrial company that really is making a great move in the data center. I think the stock can go to 200. I will talk it up next week. Just, you know, when I go over what I like for when we have our monthly meeting for the club. Dover's going to be a big name for me. Let's go to Jack in Ohio. Jack.
Hey, thanks for taking my call, Jim.
Of course, Jack. What's up?
Hey, buying for the dividend income, SFL Corporation.
No, if you're going to do that, you want to buy Dow Chemical, no longer Dow Chemical, Dow Inc., which back yielding 5.4%, I think is the right play at $51 with Jim Fitterly at the helm. That's the one to buy. Bob in Illinois. Bob.
Yes, sir. I've been a holder of Kava, and about a month ago they upgraded their guidance for the year, and since that time it's gone down about 10%, including 5 points today.
Well, you know, there's a lot of these high technology companies and a lot of fast growers and a lot of companies that just came public in the last 3 years that are really giving up big gobs, while the stocks that are, of course, we know NVIDIA and Apple keep going higher. I don't want you to lose faith, but you have to understand this is a concerted move by the companies that have come public in the last 5 years. They're all getting hit. Don't panic. Understand they're coming down. One just as a sector rotation. How about Caden in Texas? Caden.
Yeah, hey, Jim. I want to get your take on New Fortress Energy. I know you've been a fan of Wes Eden and New Fortress Energy in the past, and I could talk about this story and all the positives for a while. But to make it short, is it the continued delays of their Altamira FLNG and uncertainty from investors? Cargo delivery was said to be this month, as production was supposed to have started last month, as commissioning is now complete at that plant.
Yeah, I think the problem here is, frankly, that President Biden put a pause. And I know that there's a judge that said no to that, but I think it put the whole multi-year plan under question, and that's why it's going down. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.